Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my package from the Daily Diary, which is a shop on Shopee and Instagram. They sell stationeries, pens, papers, notepads, as well as stickers. So here's the little box. I'm gonna open it and see what I got. So there's this little container, this really nice plastic container, and there's also a sticky memo. So this is like a planner thing, as well as a pen. So this is a metallic pen, and this is how the nib looks like, but it's like a soft nib, I think. It also says it's a metallic pen, so I'm not too sure what it is, but I will test it out later. And here are some papers. Ooh, I don't know what this is made of, but it's really soft. Okay, so there's a note here. It says, "Nice to meet you. Dear Haley, hello and nice to meet you. Here are some items that you can use for decorating your bujo. Keep journaling and stay safe. We hope you like it and keep in touch. Yay!" So this is their Instagram and Shopee account, the Daily Diary. So we're gonna just go into what they sent me. So the first item is what I've showed you guys just now. It's one of these like pattern papers. So this is how it looks like in the sun. Let me compare it to a piece of paper. It's how it compares to regular foolscap paper. So this is white, this is yellowish, orange, brown, I don't know. So, and these are sticky memos. So it's for weekly planning. So I think these are all the same patterns, yes. So this is how it looks like, and this is the back. The next items with an S are in this little plastic box that they gave me. I love this box. So let's open this slowly. So there are some stickers here. I think this is like a fancy lemon sticker. Ooh, I'm gonna change my camera angle so I can get you a better lighting. Okay, so the lighting here is much better. So this is a lemon cake on a plate kind of sticker, so it's kind of glossy as you can see. And so the next item is this. It's a 2020 calendar, I think.
Yes, January. Oh, it's really thick paper. So like, yeah, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
So the next one is this orange tulip thing. So, and there's also this one which is like a piece of cake. But yeah, these are matchsticks. And this is some day stickers. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and also these two extra ones with no words in them. And ooh. Oh, this one says January, February, March, April, May, June, blah 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 blah. And they're extra. So it's kind of glossy as well, as you can see, and it's a bit rough. So it's a really nice material.
So there's this one cute young pineapple lady, cake, very simple. With apple, good morning, some flower patterns, be bright, be you, and rose. Have a very sweet day. Tangerine fresh, daily happy. For the pharmacy, I'm not sure what that is. Mercy, cool of a lemon. Flower, so it's like a dark green. It's not that dark in real life. And this is hello. And this is yesterday once more, gets best. Orange and the peanut. And there are two more. Don't do stupid things and fire.
Sometimes you see these kind of stickers on Shopee, and usually they're all like one same color. So if you want like a mixture of different colors, this is pretty nice. So the next This one is this person with a beanie, glasses, and scarf, and the other side is someone taking a picture. This is someone in a hood, and this is no look, someone covering their face. And this one's super cute. There's Charlie Brown, and it says "I love you so much" on both sides. Ooh, okay, so there are a lot of little these here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has 40 pieces in it, and that's the size of all the pieces if you guys are interested in that. So there are a lot of them, so I'm not gonna show you all of them. I'm just gonna give you like a general idea of what these stickers are. So this one's like newspaper, some like vintage drawings, and newspaper. So they come in two sizes for the circle ones. So these are the strips. So, it's like a map, and this is like a newspaper, and this is how the back looks. There is also this one. These are some like newspaper cuttings. This looks like some passport stamp thing. And this is very cute. I like this. This is the size difference. So I think this is like half of this one. And there is one more size, which is this size here. Really glossy-ish. I think you could call it glossy. And newspaper again. So that is it for this parchment paper thing. So I'm gonna compare it with my A6 Bujo. So this is how it looks like. It's around half of it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys liked anything you saw in this video, do check out the Daily Diary. I will link their information in the description below, so you guys can check them out. So I'd like to thank them again for sending me this amazing package. I was totally not expecting this, and slightly overwhelmed right now, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, do give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!